A little MTEL preparation blunder that cost me over $43,000 per year in teacher salary. To pass the MTEL test, I tried MTEL test preparation books from Amazon.com and Barnes & Noble. Obviously, you can't cram hundreds and hundreds of textbook-like test content into your brain in just a few weeks. Then I took an MTEL test prep class. After burning through a tank of gas, spending several nights and all-day weekend sessions, I found they just read dry, boring handouts aloud to you. I still had to go home and start MTEL test preparation from scratch. Total waste of time and money. I assumed if my MTEL study guides fail me, I could at least take the test a few times, figure out what to study, and then finally pass the MTEL. Wrong. Each time I took the MTEL, the questions were totally different. That made studying for the MTEL test more depressing each time I failed. After I got fired from my teaching job, my self-esteem was in the gutter. I felt completely demoralized. Know the feeling? I was ready to resign myself to a dim future as an MTEL victim. I faced living the rest of my life bitter, with crushed teaching dreams and skeptical about trying another way to pass. To see how I finally stopped mutilating my MTEL score and teaching career, go to www.teachingsolutions.org/MTEL.html right now.